Good morning, class. For our math lesson today, we are going to learn about shapes, and we're also going to focus on our counting skills. So when we do that, we're going to look at a food that most of you have probably tried before. Have you ever eaten pizza before? If you've eaten pizza, can you please raise your hand and share what type of pizza or toppings are your favorite? My personal favorite pizza and toppings are mushrooms and black olives. I've loved pizza like that since I was in school like you. So the first thing we're going to do is look at pictures of pizza that are different shapes, and then we're going to take the time to name each shape. So the first pizza we're going to look at is this one, and it has 4 sides. They are all even. Can you tell me what shape you think this pizza might be? That's right, this pizza is square shaped. So looking at the next picture, this one's round, but it's narrow and it's long. So this might be a different shape of pizza than you would be used to seeing. Can you tell me what shape you think this is? That's right, this pizza is shaped like an oval. So moving on to the next pizza shape, it also has 4 sides, but 2 of the sides are long and 2 of the sides are short. Can you tell me what shape you think this pizza might be? That's right, this is a rectangle-shaped pizza. So this pizza is probably the shape that you've seen the most, and it's round, and also the pepperoni on the pizza is round as well. Can you tell me what shape you think this pizza might be? That's right, this pizza is shaped like a circle. So this last pizza shape's a little bit different, but it is a shape that you might see on Valentine's Day. Looking at this shape, can you tell me what shape this pizza is? That's right, this pizza is shaped like a heart. So now that we've looked at pictures of these different pizza shapes, we're going to watch a video and listen to a song called Pizza Party. And during the video, I want you to watch really closely and look for the shapes that you see in the video, the shapes of pizza, shapes of different things that you see in the video. And when the video and song are over, we're going to raise our hands and share some of the different shapes that we noticed in the video. All right, so now that the video is complete, what shapes of pizza did you see in the video? I noticed that there was a triangle-shaped slice of pizza. So what other shapes did you see? Okay, so that is great. You saw that there was a round pizza when he was putting tomato sauce on the pizza. You noticed that? And, oh, someone noticed that there was a square-shaped pizza box at the end of the video. And, oh, good job. And someone else noticed that there was a heart-shaped pizza, just like the one that we looked at in the picture at the very end of the video. So now that we've looked for different shapes in that video and we've shared it, what we're going to do is I'm going to hand out this pizza kit to each student in the class, and you can see that there are different shaped toppings for the pizza. So what I'm going to do before we look at this kit anymore is look at bigger sizes of the topping shapes that are available to you to use. So this is one of the shapes. It is a blue pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. This might be a shape that you don't see very often, but this is going to be one of your topping choices. And another topping choice that is available to you is the one we talked about that was round. This is a green circle. So that will be in your kit as well. And this is a red rectangle. This is also in your pizza kit. And this is another one that has 4 even sides that we talked about. This is a yellow square, and that is also a topping in your pizza kit. And the last one is a brown triangle, and it has 3 sides. This is also available in your pizza kit. So I'm going to show you an example of my finished shape pizza. Yours does not need to look like this. You can make yours look however you want. This is just so you know how to get started. This is what my shape pizza looks like. I just placed the little toppings on the pizza wherever I wanted, but of course you can make your pizza look however you want. Now, after you're done putting the toppings on your pizza, I will move throughout the room to offer help with this part of it, but there is also something in your kit that says pizza shaped toppings, and then it says my pizza shaped toppings, and it will say my pizza has squares, rectangles, circles, triangles, and pentagons. Now, depending on how many you put on your pizza, I'll move throughout the room if you need help counting them, but we're going to count how many of these toppings are on your pizza, and we will write it down with a dry erase marker once you have completed your pizza. Alright, so now that you have completed your pizzas, I'm going to take another minute to look at the topping shapes one more time just so we can remember them. Remember, there is the blue pentagon and a brown triangle, a yellow square, a red rectangle, and the green circle. So out of all those toppings, did you have a favorite pizza topping? If you did, what was your favorite shape and why was it your favorite? Alright, now that you have shared which shape was your favorite and why, we're going to talk about how shapes can be seen everywhere we go. So I'm going to share some shapes of pictures of shapes that you can find in different places. So this is something you might see in your home or grandparents' home if they like sewing. These are pieces of fabric and it is shaped like a square. Now this might be another shape you're familiar with if this is something you have ever had to eat before as well. It has 3 sides and it's crunchy. Can you tell me maybe what this might be and what shape it is? Alright, so these are tortilla chips and they are shaped like triangles. Looking at this one, now this is one you could just see near your home just by looking at the houses on the street where you live. Alright, so this is shaped like a rectangle, but not just the building is shaped like a rectangle. The windows are shaped like a rectangle and the doors are shaped like rectangles, and so is the other set of windows at the bottom. They are all shaped like rectangles. Now this is maybe different than some mirrors that you've seen, but it's that long, round, narrow shape again. So this mirror is shaped like an oval. Now you could see this in someone's home or maybe even in your own home. So after looking at these pictures, can you share some of the shapes that you see every day? Or if you're having trouble thinking of something you see every day, you can look around the classroom and share a shape that you see in our classroom as well. Okay, so you all did an awesome job making your shape pizzas. You also did a great job naming and counting the different shapes that you saw during the lesson. Now that our lesson is complete, you can take home these pizza kits and you can play with them at home and you can share what you've learned with your families. So you guys did a great job on this lesson today and I am very proud of you.